Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Wassalatu wassalam ala Sayyidil Mursaleen wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'een. My name is Khalilur Rahman Chishti, and I'm going through the book of grammar, and we start the revision of lesson number 1. Arabic language has 28 letters in the alphabet. Alifun, ba'un, ta'un, tha'un, jim. Jimun, ha'un, kha'un, dalun, dhal. Ra'un, za'un, sin. Sinun, shinun, sadun, dad. Ta'un, dha'un, aynun, ghaynun, fa. فاء قاف كاف لام ميم ميم نون واو هاء يا. One thing you have to remember, alif and hamza are the same, but alif is a vowel and hamza is a consonant. Alif is always sakin, and hamza can get dhamma, fatha or kasra. So when alif has dhamma, kasra and fatha, it gives a sound of a, I, u, whereas alif is sakin. It can elongate the sound of any consonant. For example, if ba comes after, if alif comes after ba'un, it becomes ba, it makes it longer. There are 3 vowels out of these 28. Alifun, waw and ya. Alif, waw and ya are the vowels. These are the long vowels. So if these vowels appear after 25 consonants, they make the sound longer, actually double. Then fatha, dhamma and kasra. So ba, bi, bu, they become ba, bi, bu. So alif, ya and waw are vowels. These letters are mutaharrik. Mutaharrik means they move in their sound. They move. If a fatha is placed or dhamma is placed or kasra is placed over them, dhamma, fatha and kasra are called short vowels. They are called harakat. Dhamma is a haraka, fatha is a haraka, and kasra is a haraka. So if they are placed on top of consonant, they are called mutaharrik. A, I, u, ba, bi, bu, ta, ti, tu, tha, si, su. They are short vowels. These harakat, 3 harakat are short vowels. Whereas alif, waw and ya, they are long vowels. They are double in length in compared to short vowels. There is a sign called tanween. Tanween means noon sakin. Instead of writing noon and on top of noon you put a jazm or sukoon, Arabs use a symbol of tanween. So tanween means 2 fathas two dhammas or two kasras. Dammatan, kasratan or fathatan. These signs are substitute of a noon sakin. So instead of you write ba and with fatha, and then you place a noon sakin, and that becomes ban. What you do, you eliminate the noon sakin and you place two fathas, fathatan, that is called tanween, and that gives a sound of ban. Ban. You see ban. You can hear ban. It at the end it has a sound of noon sakin. So dammatan, kasratan and fathatan are the signs of tanween. In Arabic, if a letter is pronounced two times, so Arabs do not write that word twice, but they indicate the duplicacy of that sign with a symbol called shadda or tashdeed. Shadda or tashdeed. Please remember a very important thing about shadda or tashdeed, that the first letter is sakin and the second letter is mutaharrik. The second letter is moving in its sound. For example, if you say rabbu, rabbu, so you have a ra which is moving, it has a fatha, ra, and the second ba, rabbu. So ba is there twice. The first ba is sakin and the second ba is mutaharrik. The first rabbu, rab, the first ba is sakin. When you say rabbu, so first one is sakin, the second one is mutaharrik with a dhamma. Now there is a sign called jazm or sukoon. It makes the letter sakin because the sound doesn't move forward. You see, we said dhamma, fatha and kasra, they are harakat. They harakat. They make the letter mutaharrik. The sound moves. Ba, bi, bu. Kitaba, kitabu, kitabi. Whereas if you put the sign of sukoon or jazm at the end, it becomes kitab, kitab, kitab. So the sound is not moving. That's why it is called jazm or sakin. As I said earlier, there are 28 letters. They are called huruf at-tahajji. Out of 28, 3 are vowels and 25 are consonants. So those 25 are called, they are called huruf sahih. Huruf sahih. Sahih means they are intact, they are sahih, they are good. Whereas these 3 vowels, they have 3 names. They have 3 names. Number 1, huruf madda. They are called huruf madda, but because they elongate, they are also called huruf naqisa. The sahih are intact and they are sound and they are good, whereas naqisa means defecting. These three letters are also called naqisa or defective. They have a third name, huruf illa, huruf illa. So illa also means defective. Huruf madda, huruf naqisa, and huruf naqisa, huruf illa, and huruf madda. Those are the three names.
Defecting.
Defective, they are defective.
And what is the first?
Illa means also illa means a sickness. Now, lesson number 2. Please do not ask questions now. Write down your questions and you can ask later. Lesson number 2. Out of these 28 letters, 14 are huruf shamsiyya and 14 of them are huruf qamariyya. What does it mean? So, for example, take ash-shams. Shamsun. Shamsun means sun. When you add alif lam, lam tarif to shamsun, it becomes ash-shamsu. Like we have in Quran, ash-shamsu wal qamaru bi husban. Ash-shamsu wal qamaru bi husban. So here you might have noticed that you don't say al-shamsu. Al-shamsu. So the first letter of the word shams is repeated twice. Alif lam is written there, alif lam, but lam is not pronounced. Instead, you say sheen twice, ash shams. Whereas in al-qamar, lam is written and lam is pronounced also. Al-qamaru. In huruf shamsiyya, when they take alif lam in the beginning, the sound is repeated, lam is not pronounced. Whereas in qamariya, for example, al-qamar, lam is written and lam is pronounced. So I give you some examples of shamsiyya. As-salatu. The letter sad is pronounced twice. Az-zakatu. The letter za is pronounced twice. Az-zakatu. Ar-rasulu. The letter ra is pronounced twice. Ar-rafi'u. The letter ra is pronounced twice. Whereas examples like al-azizu, al-ghaffaru, lam is written and also the sound of lam is pronounced. Al-maliku, al-quddusu, al-mu'minu, al-muhayminu, al-azizu, al-jabbar, al-khaliqu, al-bari'u, al-musawwiru. So here the sound is very clear. Lesson number 3. Kalimatun. Kalimatun means word. It is also called mufrad. The plural of kalima is kalimat. The plural of mufrad is mufradat. So kalimatun, word. So in Arabic language, in the grammar, the word is divided into 3 groups: noun, verb, and preposition. So al-kalimatu ismun aw fi'lun aw harf. So you know the ism, the plural of ism is asma, and the plural of fi'l is af'alun. And the plural of harf is huruf. Harf, huruf. Ism, asma'u, and fi'l, af'alun, and harf and huruf. So those are the three categories of words or kalimat or mufradat. As you know, noun is the name of a place, person or thing. But remember one basic thing, ism has no time. Ism has no time, whereas fi'l, the verb, must have time. Verb must have time. The work is done in the past, or it is being done now, or it shall be done in future. So past, present and future is the tense used in verbs, in af'al. So we give some examples of ism. For example, kitabun, qalamun, masjidun, zaydun, muhammadun, aliyun, uthmanu, umaru. These are all names of people. Names of cities, for example, Ar-Riyadu, Makkatu, Al-Qahiratu. So those are the names of certain cities. Names of certain countries, like Ash-Shamu, Al-Urdunu, Al-Yaman. Names of certain tribes, like Al-Quraishu, At-Taghlabu. So name of anything, as I said, name of a place, person or thing, that is ism. For example, we said, this is qalamun, kitabun, name of a thing. These are names, these are asma, noun. And af'al, for example, when you say nasara yansuru unsur, nasara yansuru unsur, nasara means he helped. Nasara yansuru, he helps. He or he shall help. He will help. Yansuru. Unsur, help. So in Arabic language, the verb is indicated with three conditions. Nasara means the work is done in the past. Nasara, he helped. Yansuru, he is helping now, or he shall help in the future. Yansuru. And unsur means help, help. Please help. Unsur, help. Unsur. So we give the examples of now the prepositions. Prepositions are huruf. These are neither noun nor the af'al. They are not asma, they are not verbs, but they are very meaningful words. They support the verb and noun to make a sentence. They are called huruf. Actually, harf in Arabic language means end of anything. And you see, this is the tongue, this part of the tongue. This one is called harf. In fact, any end is called harf. The border or the end point. Like the Quran says in Surah Al-Hajj, وَمِنَ النَّاسِ مَنْ يَعْبُدَ اللَّهَ وَمِنَ النَّاسِ مَنْ يَعْبُدُ اللَّهَ عَلَى حَرْفٍ. So there are some people, they are hypocrites, they worship on the border. So they at the edge, harf means edge. They worship at the edge, and they can fall down anytime. So that is harf.